Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this piece of wood that I got from a Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use the color Vintage Mustard, and I am going to paint the whole block this color. I did the front, the back, and the sides. And I just did one quick coat of this. It is chalk paint, so it goes on pretty thick. Once I have it all painted and it's fully dry, I'm going to sand off and distress all of these edges. And I just use my little hand sander. Once I have that all sanded off, I am going to take this block and I'm going to use my antique wax and I'm going to go around all of the edges. And then once I get all the edges done, I'm going to go around the center and I'm just going to kind of rub along the center of it. And I'm going to take a baby wipe and kind of control how much I put on and how dark I want it. So I'm just going to continue to wipe it off with a baby wipe, add some more, wipe it off, add some more, wipe it off until you get the desired color that you're looking for. Once I have the desired color that I was looking for and it's fully dry, I cut this piece of burlap to fit right inside of my sign. I'm just going to put a large amount of Mod Podge on here to hold this burlap. And I'm just going to do a good thick coat of it. Once I have that all on, I am going to lay the burlap down and then just smooth it out with my hands. As you can see, I've used quite a bit of Mod Podge here, because it's really hard to hold burlap down. So I'm just going to make sure that it's centered, lay my burlap on, and then just press it all down with my hands. And then I had taken one of my printables and printed it out on a piece of muslin. These are the Sunflower and BE printable. And I'm going to do the same thing I just did with the burlap, except I'm going to put this on top of the burlap. So I'm going to do another really thick coat of Mod Podge and go all the way around where this piece of muslin is going to go, where I'm going to put my printable. Once I have that all on, I can lay my printable down and just smooth that out with my hands. I'm just going to lay that right on top of that Mod Podge, making sure that I get it all nice and even, and then smooth it out with my hands. And then again, I'm going to let that dry. Once that was dry, I'm going to take these metal scroll pieces, and I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby. I could be wrong. I buy stuff so many places, so I kind of forget where I put them. So I put a little bit of super glue on and then added a little bit of hot glue right to the sign. And then I'm just going to put that piece down on the corner of that printable. And again, repeating the same process on the other side. This is just super glue from Dollar Tree, and then putting it on the corner at the top alongside my printable as well. Once I had those pieces both on, I'm going to take this drawer pull, and it's just a handle, and it happened to match the scroll pieces. I'm going to put a little bit of that super glue on, then add some hot glue, and then I'm going to place this right on top. And then I had this chipboard cutout from Tim Holtz, and I'm going to use some of my antique wax on it, and then I am going to place that in the bottom left-hand corner. And that is it for this project. It is done. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. I love this printable anyway, and I thought it would be really fun to put it on some fabric and see what it looked like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.